In this video I'm going to explain how you expand double brackets, that's multiply out double brackets, using the grid method of multiplication. And I'd like you to try and follow this with a few examples afterwards. So we draw our grid, which you may have used for numbers in the past. Now what I'm going to write along the top here, I'm going to put a multiply there to remind myself I'm multiplying, and I'm going to put the contents of the first bracket along the top. So I'm going to write an x, that's my first part, and the plus 3 with its sign there afterwards. Down the side I'm going to have an x and a plus 5, that's my second bracket. Now I'm just going to multiply the various bits together. So I'm doing x multiplied by x gives me x squared, x multiplied by plus 3 gives me plus 3x, positive 5 times x, that gives me positive 5x there, and finally bottom right hand corner, be careful here, remember we're multiplying, so 5 multiplied by 3 gives me plus 15. Right, I'm now going to write out the results here. I've got x squared plus 3x plus 5x plus 15. Just taking the bits from the grid. Now you can simplify this expression, and the bit we can always simplify are the two terms here in the middle. So I've got an x squared, and in the middle I've got positive 3x plus 5x gives me plus 8x, and positive 15 on the end. So that's my first example. Moving on to the second example, again I'm going to draw my grid in, put my multiply sign in the corner. Now along the top I'm going to put the contents of the first bracket, so I'm going to have x with a minus 3 there, and along the side x plus 1. So once again I'm going to multiply these together. X multiplied by x gives me x squared, x multiplied by minus 3 gives me minus 3x, 1 times x gives me plus 1x, and plus 1 multiplied by minus 3 gives me minus 3. So let's write out the results. I've got x squared minus 3x plus 1x minus 3. Again, the bits in the middle are the bits we can simplify. So I've got an x squared, and this time I've got minus 3 plus 1. Well, minus 3 plus 1 gives me minus 2, and I take away 3 on the end. So my answer is x squared minus 2x, take away 3.